In this video, I'll walk you through the process of resetting your Nintendo Switch. If you found this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks. Resetting a Nintendo Switch can resolve software issues, improve performance, or prepare the console for resale. It restores the system to factory settings, erasing all data and settings. To initialize your Nintendo Switch console, begin by accessing the controller homepage interface. Once you are on the home screen, navigate to the menu and select the Settings option. This will take you to the System Settings page, where you will find various options to customize and manage your console. From here, scroll down slightly until you locate the System tab and click on it to proceed. On the System page, you will need to scroll further down to find the Formatting options. Selecting this option will direct you to a new page with additional settings. Look for the option labeled Initialize Console and click on it to move forward. Once this page opens, scroll down again until you see the Next button and click on it. You will then be prompted with a small confirmation box asking you to click Next once more to continue. After confirming, your console will connect to the internet to verify the process. Following this, a caution page will appear with a warning about the initialization. On this page, you will notice a red button labeled Initialize. Clicking on this button will begin the process of resetting your console. Keep in mind that this process may take a while to complete, so ensure you allow enough time for the initialization to finish successfully. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.